6th grade math, CAASP, practice problem number 7. Mr. Alvarez is buying every boy on his son's football team a new football. The footballs are sold in packages of 4. There are a total of 15 boys on the football team. I highlighted some of the important information. Footballs are sold in packages of 4, and there are a total of 15 boys on the football team. Part A. In order for every boy to receive a football, how many packages of footballs does Mr. Alvarez need to buy? Since there's 15 boys on the football team, he'll need to buy at least 15 footballs. But footballs are sold in packages of 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so if he bought 4 packages of 4, he'd have 16 footballs, which would be enough for every boy on the team. He'd even have one left over for himself. Part B. Using your findings in Part A, if every package costs $20.97, how much will Mr. Alvarez spend on footballs? If he buys 4 packages of footballs at $20.97 each, that would be $20.97 times 4. $20.97 is almost $21. In fact, it's 3 cents away from $21. And 3 cents times 4 packages equals 12 cents. So you could do it mentally in your head at $21 times 4 and then subtract 12 cents from your answer. Either way you do it, you're going to end up with $83.88. Mr. Alvarez would spend $83.88 purchasing 4 packages of 4 footballs at $20.97 each.